After everything was prepared, we started by peeling the garlic, then the potatoes, the onions, the carrots, After that, we started blending the tomatoes manually. We blended for a while, just like 15 minutes, and then we got the tomato paste, and that is what we were looking for. After a while, I went to the kitchen to check the condition of the beans. I found it was cool. As well, the meat, it was cool. So I proceeded on the other side now. We went to prepare the rice. Follow up the process, and as well you can tell me on your comment below, how do you prepare this kind of rice in your area? Do you do like us, or you're kind of different? Tell us on the comment below. As well, we pounded the garlic respectively so that we get the garlic paste. We pounded for a while. Then after a while, we got the paste. After that, you leave it for a while. Then it's time now to pour the food color. We have three kinds of food colors. The first one you see, we have green, we have orange, as well we have raspberry. So follow up the process and see what happened. Tell us, guys, does this resonate with your way of cooking in one way or the other? Or it's kinda totally different? Tell us now, we want to hear. If you find this information useful and you want to see more of Africans related lifestyle, especially in the village, don't forget to subscribe. Smash that subscribe button now. Thank you for being part of this adventure. And if you really loved what we have done or what we are doing, I kindly don't forget to subscribe so that we get more.